Dear students, this is module number 33 for the subject of strategic human resource management. This module is in the continuation of what we talked in the last module, that is about alignment or strategic alignment, horizontal or vertical, both. So this module is about the principal internal factors influencing strategic alignment. Why sometimes organizations are unable to align their practices or strategies. What are those factors? What are those issues within the organization that hinder or that influence on the alignment process? This is the figure where you can see that there are three factors, and each factor has some other components or practices. In the first principal internal factor, you will see strategy and structure. The strategy and structure are linked together, and it comprises some other factors, for example, vision, mission, and business objectives. So the alignment between strategy and structure, we will talk about that in a minute. Next is the culture of the organization. Culture also influences the alignment process or this factor in the organization success to achieve the sustainable competitive advantage. So what is culture? We will talk about that in the next module. So HRM, strategy, policies, plans, and practices. This is the third internal factor that has some kind of influence or some level of influence in the alignment process. Strategy and structure we will talk about in further detail in a minute. So strategy and structure, as shown in figure 3 or whatsoever you have just seen in this figure, are linked together. Chandler in 1962, he has suggested that the structure should follow the strategy rather than the strategy following your structure. Why? Because strategy is how you are going to compete in the market, how you will compete with your competitors, or how you will win in the market. This is your strategy, not the structure. In other words, it is suggested that an organization should be designed in a way that its structure supports the competitive strategy or business strategy. So your structure is something, if you look in this next slide, you will find that it is suggesting structure is a living, so play with it. Strategy is something you have crafted. Strategy is something you have designed after careful analysis of a lot of information. Strategy is something you have designed after examining the market in detail. Strategy is something you have designed after evaluating who are your competitors. Or in other words, strategy is something that will decide who are your competitors. Every competitor in the market is not your competitor. For example, do you think every mobile manufacturer is a competitor for iPhone or Apple company? Definitely not. All manufacturers of mobile phones are not direct competitors of the Apple organization because they have a differentiation strategy, while many other competitors, they are having a low cost strategy. So strategy is something you have designed and you believe that this is the way how you will win in the organization or in the market, or how you will win the heart of your customers. And most of the times, it is very unlikely and advisable to keep on changing your strategy. So it is the structure which is a living part in your organization. You should change the structure of the organization to support your strategy. However, as I said, as this module suggests that there are some principal internal factors in the organization that has an influence on the alignment process. Most of the time, it could be positive or it could be negative. When we say about negative, this is what is mentioned here. The dilemma facing organizations is that any structure hardens eventually, which results in a loss of competitive advantage. Let me make it simple. जब organizations में कोई structure बन जाता है, what we mean by structure? The hierarchy in the organization. Organization में एक hierarchy बन गई है. इस hierarchy में somebody is responsible for something and he is reporting to someone. That person is responsible to something and that person is reporting to someone. So it is, organization structure is a process of responsibilities and accountabilities. After some time, this structure is so hardens, यानी कि लोग अपने इतने rigid हो जाते हैं या इतने सख्त हो जाते हैं अपने अपने डिपार्टमेंट्स में, अपनी अपनी पोजीशन पे स्ट्रांग पोजीशंस ले लेते हैं, that they don't want to go down to their hierarchy or they don't want to move away from their hierarchy. So structure becomes very solid that it is very hard to change the structure of the organization. You might have seen when in organizations there is a power and politics. People don't want to lose what they have gained, or what they have gained is a more motivational factor than what they can gain. So in other words, making it simple, that this is the problem or this is the dilemma when a structure is supposed to support the strategy. When a structure is supposed to support the strategy, most of the time it has hardened too much that the people are not flexible anymore. Thank you.